Mini waffles, max flavor, sweet potato meets pepper jack perfection.
Really good. That waffle right here with the spinach and the pepper jack and the mushroom, and that syrup on here. Whoa. This chicken. Oh, hold up.
Go ahead and slap it. Go ahead, give one. There you go.
I've got to pat myself on the back. I did that. Well, today we are making savory waffles. Today we're going to give you some real nutrient dense in a waffle form. And we're going to make them mini. We're going to make them small, round waffles. And we're going to have accompanying us with that dish some chicken bites. Yeah, you heard me.
Waffles and chicken bites.
Waffles and chicken bites.
Sounds good to me.
So we have our sweet potato as our nutrient dense food. We have some spinach here as our nutrient dense food. And you know, we can't forget cheese. And just not any cheese, because you know I'm the queen of loving colors in my food. So we have some pepper jack here that, you know, pepper jack has a little red and green pepper. So, you know, we gotta get our color on, you know? And then we have some wonderful mushrooms that totally chopped up fine. Okay, so now Ian's gonna do his dry first. Here's your dry, which is his flour. Just go ahead.
The whole thing? Oh, all right.
Now Ian's adding his milk.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Right here?
Then he's going to add his eggs. Then you may want to use your
whisk.
And then what you're going to do is we're going to end up splitting the batters up, which we have it made for our cheese and spinach and mushroom, and for our sweet potato, we'll add our goodness spice to that after. So Ian, now you're going to take your wet, you're going to incorporate it in your dry.
A little bit at a time.
Okay. We are going to incorporate some of our sweet potato. Okay, so now we're going to take half of the sweet potato that Ian had cooked earlier. And what we did was cook in a little bit of our favorite thing here called chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, please just use regular water. But we like that flavor. So I am just only going to take half of this, and I have to see the consistency, what happens. I may end up putting a little more, but let me see how it goes first. Actually, this is where we go back to using our whisk.
Okay.
Sweet potato batter.
You can always add, right?
Always add.
You can always add more.
Why not? Let's just do it.
Okay, here we go.
Let's just do it.
All right. Show love.
Show love. I don't want to, because it could be an overkill. So just you could taste that there is something exotic, nice, wonderful flavor. And nutmeg is something also you don't want to overdo it on. So, okay. So we have the nutmeg, and you see all these wonderful spices in here. Seeing all these wonderful spices, the cardamom and the nutmeg, and we have that big, nice glob of, you know, cinnamon.
Yes.
And then now we're just going to mix it.
Here are a list of ingredients.
Here, sprinkling some cheese.
Base,
This is our pepper jack cheese that we're sprinkling. Here, Ian.
Yeah, I'm going to put some
sprinkle the mushroom.
A little bit more, obviously, and then around it. Okay, Mom, move over here. Show love all around, like you said.
Show love.
Show love, like you always say.
And then show love with your spinach.
Okay, because it is what? Nutrients.
Nutrient.
Right?
So vitamin K, honey. It's your iron for those who are anemic. You have the spinach.
Yes.
And then your mushroom has a umami flavor. So it's a Japanese word.
Close it up.
Close it up. Let's do the sweet potato.
Sweet potato now.
Did you spray that, Ian? Make
sure. I sprayed it, but
here's a hint. Go ahead, Ian.
I sprayed the whole thing, Mama.
Okay. You have to make sure you spray your grill with cooking spray really, really well.
Okay.
So it doesn't stick on your iron.
Here's our vitamin content.
Well, look at Ian the waffle maker. Look what he's done. Our sweet potato waffle, as well as our umami mushrooms, spinach, and pepper jack cheese mushroom. Well, Ian, look what we have here. We have our sweet potato waffles on deck. Savory, again, that was spiced up with a little cardamom and nutmeg and cinnamon. Decorated with a little garnish of parsley. We have our maple chipotle syrup here on deck that also had a little nutmeg and cinnamon in here. So good.
Mm-hmm.
And another star here. This is our mushroom, pepper jack, and spinach. These are our mini waffles. And woohoo, let me tell you, these are our chicken bites.
Oof.
Now, these are good, and we just cooked it in the air fryer.
Mm.
I am excited. The savory.
I don't even know where to start.
How about start putting it in your mouth? That work?
That's a good start. You're right. I just don't know where to start.
Let me tell you, this maple syrup here with the cinnamon and nutmeg and the chipotle and the little cayenne. I forgot to say, it's everything. Let me get into this waffle here.
The chicken's delicious.
I haven't gotten to the chicken yet.
Chicken is delicious.
Listen, this is the bomb. This is really good. Really good. That waffle right here with the spinach and the pepper jack and the mushroom and that syrup on here. Whoa. This chicken. Oh, hold up.
Go ahead and slap it. Go ahead, give one. There you go.
I've got to pat myself on the back. I did that. Really? This chicken, this recipe I came up with for the waffles, the sweet potato as well. Let me get a piece of chicken. I want to put this combination. I'm going to cut it down and put this combination together here and give you a true assessment of everything, because what I tasted individually, and I'm just only imagining the combination together. Oh Lord.
All right, I'm going to just say it.
This is really good. Ian, I am loving every bite of this.
That's what I like to hear. And so am I.
No joke. This is a must. I know I say that a lot, but trust me, that's because the stuff is really good.
This is definitely
You have to try this. Don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can know when we put out a new video with great recipes like this. Creative things that's easy, mostly affordable, and enjoyable. And listen, sharing is caring. So don't forget to share. Share this channel with your family and friends. You won't regret it. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this recipe.